Artie McYardie here with another one. This is probably one of my least favorite activities, trimming the hedges. But you know what? Good old expandit kit comes in to save the day with this hedge trimmer. Look at how easy it is for me to reach in those hard to reach areas. This here is the hedge trimmer that's connected to my expandit kit on my Ryobi edger. Heads up, that orange guard that's on top perpendicular with the trimmers actually comes in quite handy, especially when you're going in between hedges or bushes and you don't want to nick or cut the other plant. It blocks it from doing that. So thumbs up there, Ryobi. And then you can take that off if you so choose. One final touch. Let's just get that there. Yep. Get that. Oh, yeah. Oh, much better. Woo! I can't even make this up, how successful these Conibear 330 traps are. Put it out the night before, and woke up this morning to take the kids to school, summer camp, and look what I come across. Armadillo number 2, neutralized. So it's only fitting that I have a little decor to represent on my desk while I'm editing my videos. So I got this little pot from Home Depot, and I'm going to plant some grass seed in there, real grass seed, and have a nice little decor to represent what I'm all about while I sit back, relax, and edit my videos. My particular situation calls for combat extreme turf type fescue. Ho ho ho. I can't wait to see how this turns out.